Hey everyone, Drew Day here, and I am continuing to use the Pro Signals indicator by Champion Setups for opportunities in biotech. I am showing you today one that I'm actually, although overall I'm very bullish in the biotech sector. Biotech industry fascinates me. I have a lot of experience. I've made a lot of money in biotech, but this is one market that scares me to death. This stock right here, Gilead Sciences, I would say watch out for the bear. It's coming. They had the opportunity to buy Medivation and acquire Medivation for a new competitive advantage. And again, if you're watching these videos the last few days, I've been talking about the power of acquisitions in biotech. Well, guess who bought Medivation? The acquisition, Pfizer acquired Medivation for $14 billion. And what's fascinating to me about that is that the big boys in this space are always going to look to acquire the smaller players in the industry to continue to stay competitive. What concerns me with Gilead, not only if you look, I mean, we've been trading all the way since July underneath the cloud. We've got lots of signals firing off here in Champion Setups. Our trend is continuing to decline. We're way below the cloud. We've got a nice little sell signal right here on the daily. But beyond that, this company has 25 billion approximately of cash on hand. And so because this last acquisition fell through for them, I'm afraid that they're going to continue to look for acquisitions, and they're probably going to overbid because there's lots of bidding wars that go on with companies that are this large. And when you have a company that has a failed acquisition and their stock continues to decline, you've got to watch out. You've got to be really careful. Furthermore, Gilead, two things. Number one, their HIV drug sales, their price has just continued to decline and to drop because their HIV drug sales have a very weak forecast, and their hepatitis C drugs have also a weak forecast. So this company is one that I think is in a really weak position. And my Champion Setups Pro Signals indicator, little cheat sheet radar screen here telling me trend is down. Let's go ahead and sell this bad boy. And if you want to learn how this stuff works, I want to show you biotech because you can use this Champion Setups Pro Signals on anything. But if you really want to come learn more, I highly encourage you to come next Tuesday to the last live training event in the month of August with Rob Hoffman, Thomas Wood, and Hubert Centers. It's going to be next Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, and there's going to be 4,000 or 5,000 people registered for this thing. It has maxed out every single time we have done it, and I think that it's going to max out even more. Rob was in California this week at a live trading competition. Yesterday in the video, I said he was in San Diego. He was actually in San Francisco, but nonetheless, Rob Hoffman has won 20 live trading competitions using this tool. So sign up for the event right above this video, and we'll see you next week.